Hello guys, today we're going to see some different type of sheet house in our Revit. So for that, go to new project. So we have opened our project, right? So go to UN. So here we're going to take as meters and OK and OK. Now go to south elevation. So here it is our level 2 up to 4 meters, right? So I'm taking the default one, so you can change that. So now we need to draw a floor over here, so, right? Further, go to floor, click on edit type. So here we have different types of floors, right? So I'm going to take this concrete 425 domestic and click on edit. So here we are going to take it as grass. So for this also I'm going to take it as click on OK. So now we will go to here. So I'm going to draw this type of rectangle, right? Now we are going to take this much of big area. So click on OK. So it has created our glass floor is created, right? So if you go to 3D and go to realistic, there we can see our grass, right? So now again go to our level 1. So now we will take the walls. So I'm taking the generic 200 wall, right? I'm taking 200 filled. So again go to edit. So here we're going to take this as 0.2 thickness, right? So it is a solid filled. Okay. Okay. Now we will draw our structure. So here we can see. So this is the wall center line, core finish line. So if you want to start from here, so this should be selected, right? Or if you want to start with core center line, so like this. So if you draw wall on wall, so that will be useful, right? So we will be taking the wall center line only, or else so we will going to draw over here. So this part will be our drawing area. So for that I'm going to take the finish face exterior, right? So I'm going to start from here. So here we can see, right? So place like this, and again if you click the space, if it is coming over this side, click on space, it will come to here, right? We are going to take this over here, right? So now I'm going to select these two walls, go to edit type, duplicate. I'm giving some image sheet, go to edit. After going to edit, we have to change our material, right? So for that purpose, we will go to our material by category. We will see any sheets. See this metal sheeting. On OK, and click on OK and OK. So right, so it has changed it, right? So here you can see. So this is a metal sheeting, right? You can see over here. So this is a metal sheeting, right? So now, so this is the outer part. So now we will add some structural column, or we can add some whatever you want we can add. So I'm going to take my, again go to walls, select these two storefront, right? So I'm going to select from here and again up to here, right? So we have created our storefront walls, right? So now we will create some stairs over here, right? For that, go to run. So here we have rip type, and we're going to take this as monolithic stairs. Click on OK. So here there will be number of steps is 23, right? So I'm going to select from here, right? So here only not remaining white, so I'm again to like this, right? And OK, so it will be created. So I'm moving this towards this side, right? So if we go to 3D, so there we can see, right? So this wall height, I think it's more than enough, right? It is big walls. So for that, again go to here, go to our level 1. Now select these walls and select this up to unconnected at level 2, right? On apply. So if you go to 3D, so now here we can see, right? So these are the railing types. So what else we can do this? So right, so we will select this, and this top level is up to 2, right? So again we will go to level 1. So for this, now we will add some walls over here, right? 2 walls. So I'm selecting of about masonry, right? So I'm going to do a room like this. So this is a bedroom. So this will be a bathroom for this, right? And this will be one room, right? So now we will go to home, go to doors. So we're going to place a simple flush door over here, right? So and if you go here, go to load, take the doors, take this door. This looks good, right? So click on OK. I'm going to place over here, here. So right, so now we will go to our query. So here we are done it. So it should be unconnected right of level 2, right? So this one also. So these two. Like this we have created, right? So here we have the openings, right? So like this we can create the opening. So we will again undo this. I will show you. Go to here. And select from here to here. So we need to take much like this. Click on it. So this should not connect. This one, so click on OK. So now OK, so click on OK. So see, it has opened, right? So this is how we can make a way for it, right? So we are done with our service type. So now we will add a floor, right? Or we'll add a ceiling over here, right? So now go to ceiling plan 1. So now go to ceiling. So here we are going to take a grid line, automatic ceiling. So here we can mention the ceiling. So right here it won't be available, right? So click on escape. So our ceiling is done. So here you can see our ceilings, right? It is floor 1. So we can move that, right? So here we can add whatever we want, right? So we will go to our level plan 1. So and we will go to the components and edit, go to load. We will take and browser. So we will take female. So okay, here we have different types of now the trees, right? You can place over these trees. Here we can have this, right? So and we have to add a roof for this, right? So we will go to roof, and stop it. Yes, to level 2. So now we need to add this, right? I'm going to add over from here to here, right? So we click on OK, go to 3D. So here we can see we have done our level 2, right? But we need to edit these boundaries, right? Because we have an opening over here, right? So from here to here. So now we have to select it. Let's select the trim and extend command. So I'm taking from here to this. Edit. Here. So select these lines. Okay. So this should not intersect each lines, right? So delete this one. Okay. So it has created, right? So here we got for our staircase. We go to south. Here we can see the east, north, and west, right? So go to 3D. So now we will go to our level 1. So right. So from here we will be taking our camera, right? So go to camera and select here like this. So here we can see, right? So I'm taking this material as sheeting, okay and okay. So we'll go to realistic. So this is with sheeting material, right? So we can add some lightings over these two also, right? So select this, drag over here. So like this we can see our building area, right? So you can see that the whole area, so this is the glassing, right? There are some tools over here, right? So this is our building area, right? So here we can keep our cars over here, right? So go to insert, unload family, go to intros, select the beetle and open. So now go to components, so it won't be right. So go to level 1, so go to components. So here we can place our cars, right? Or over here. So we can add the different types of lighting also, right? So we can import and we can load and we can add some lightings also, right? Here we have some water lamps, right? We go to home components. So here we can place over here, here, right? So if we go to 3D, so we can see our lights, right? So if we do some rendering over here, for this, go to view, on render, select the exterior artificial lights only, click on and selecting tab, click on render. So it will be render. So this is the night vision. See, we can see our cars, right? So this is some draft quality. If we go to the best quality, it will be nice, right? So this is the lightings, right? So we can select the exterior and you can select the interior only. So if you place any lights, so we can adjust the exposure also, right? So I'm selecting somewhat brighter, click on apply. Okay. So now you can see clearly, right? So the how the lighting is flashing and how our building is going to look. See, right? So like this, we can make, right? Level 1 to 3D. So here we have the our lightings, right? So this is how we can make a glass one with sheeting. So we can select over this and we can also make these walls as the storefront walls also, right? So like this we can see. So but we don't need that one. So I'll remove that. So here how we can make this as opening to this storefront walls, and we have a cars or staircase over here. So right. So and we can also add whatever we like. We can also add the ceiling lights and the street lights over here, lamps. So we can create like you go to floor. So we can create different types of gestures over here, right? So like these types of stones. You can select those circle ones. So like this we can create some stones over here. So like this we can create, right? So if we go to 3D, so you can see over here the stones, right? So like this we can create this type of building with lightings and the exterior look, right? So now we will in the next video we will see the another type of buildings, right? Thank you.